Topic 12, Lesson 4, Subtracting Fractions with Like Denominators. Well, so far you've already learned how to use fraction strips to model subtraction of fractions. In this lesson, you'll be learning the steps for subtracting fractions that have the same denominator. Our standards are: understand a fraction, a over b, with a being greater than 1 as the sum of fractions 1 over b. Understand addition and subtraction of fractions as joining and separating parts referring to the same whole. And of course, solve word problems involving addition and subtraction of fractions referring to the same whole and having like denominators, e.g. by using visual fraction models and equation to represent the problem. Mathematical practices: we're going to reason abstractly and quantitatively. We're going to construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others, model with mathematics, and look for and express regularity in repeated reasoning. Our focus is: how do you subtract fractions with like denominators? Let's take a look. Kevin wants to walk 8/10 of a mile to the park. He has already walked 5/10 of a mile. How much farther does he have to walk? So again, he wants to walk a total of 8/10 of a mile, but he's already done 5/10. How much more does he have to go? Well, let's take a look at this chart here. What we have is we have 8/10 minus 5/10. That's the actual problem we'll be solving. And we can see here that each of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 spots, and even though it doesn't look even, we're going to go ahead and imagine that each section is evenly divided. So what we do is go ahead and shade in 8/10. So we have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's how far he needs to go. And already he's gone 5/10 of a mile. So we can go ahead and subtract out. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's left? Right here. And again, you can count each of these is a tenth. So there's 3 of them. 3/10. And a good way of looking at this is when you're subtracting fractions, if the denominators are the same, then you can go straight across and just subtract across the numerators. So the denominator stays the same. We don't change it, we don't subtract it, we don't do anything to it. But then we go ahead in the top 8 minus 5, the numerators, 8 minus 5, you get 3. So our answer is he has 3/10 of a mile left to go. Let's try another one. What if it was 9/10 minus 2/10? Go ahead, pause the video, work it out, and come back and let's see. Good luck. Alright, how'd you do? Well, once again, let's go ahead and divide this into 10 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again, I realize they're not exactly even, but you get the point. So we can go ahead and start off with 9/10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to subtract 2. 1, 2. So what do we have left over? Right here. We have 1/10. Again, each of these is 1/10. And 1/10 and 1/10. So what do we have left? We have 7. And again, since the denominators are exactly the same, we don't change them. The denominator stays the same with the answer. In the numerators, we go ahead and subtract across. 9 minus 2 is 7. So the answer is 7/10. How did you do? Alright, well now try some on your own. Good luck.